Worship, today is 25 November 2025. The appearance are as follows. Presiding officer is Mr. Nichos. For the state is Advocate Local 1. Interpreter is Mr. Nhlapa. Stenographer is Ms. Siaga. And for the accused is Mr. Ramos. Worship, this matter was postponed until today for purposes of bail application. Last time indicated, Worship, and agreed with the defense that this bail application ought to be adjudicated in terms of Schedule 6 of the Criminal Procedure Act. Your Worship, we, however, have been instructed by the Director of Public Prosecutions that certain offences allegedly linked to the accused before court be centralized in terms of Section 90, subsection